In today's video, how to deposit money to Bybit. First, open Bybit website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on Buy Crypto at the top menu and you will see two options, Fiat Deposit and Crypto Deposit. If you want to deposit cryptocurrency from another exchange or wallet, click on Crypto Deposit. And if you want to deposit fiat currency like euros, dollars, click on Fiat Deposit. And after clicking on Fiat Deposit, you will be taken to a page where you can enter amount you want to deposit. For example, let's choose 20 euros, enter 20 euros in the amount field and choose currency from drop-down menu. Below the currency section, choose your payment method, read and agree Bybit terms of service and privacy policy and enter payment details and complete transaction. For a crypto deposit, select cryptocurrency you want to deposit from, like Ethereum, and Bybit will provide you with deposit address. Copy this address, go to your exchange or wallet, enter Bybit deposit address, and transfer desired amount of cryptocurrency.